Hello everyone, this is Daniel Sampson. I'm going to explain C programming in DSA. This is the question that experiment. This is enter file and creating structure node, then int data and creating a variable for data, and then struct for node and link. These are the function prototypes. These are all, and then I'm creating a switch case, and then I'm printing these values. These are the values we're going to given in this program, and creating a choice in int, and scanning that choice into d variable. These are the cases, total 9 cases, and inside the cases I'm giving that classes. These are total classes. If I give any other classes, if I give any other cases like above 9, it will print enter the valid option. Now these are the classes: inside big, inside lost, inside middle, inside delete first, delete end, delete random, search, display, exit. These are the classes, and these closing this and creating inside classes program. First we creating inside beginning. I'm given beginning in the short form BG, and don't confuse that. Struct node into P. We given P is equal to struct node into malloc size of structure node int item, declaring int as a int, item as a int. If p is equal to null, print overflow. If we checking that p is full or not. If this value is 2, means it will print a statement as overflow. Else it will go to this part, enter the value, and we given value will be read in this scan d item, and then print data is equal to item. After that it goes to link head, and head is equal to p. The p value will be saved in head, and print that node creator. And then inside lost, struct node and print item, and item will be saved in int, and read that item in int, struct node and malloc size of struct node. If p is equal to null, if p is equal to null, uh, p link null, and head prt will goes to head part and print node inside. Else it goes to the temp is equal to head, while temp link is not equal to null. It will goes to the inside while loop. Temp is equal to temp link. The temp value will be goes to link, and then a temp link will be saved as a ptr, and ptr link will be saved in null, and print node at last, and that will be closed. And then we goes to the next middle value, struct node into ptr and temp. ptr is equal to struct node malloc size of struct node. The item will be declared as int, and if ptr is equal to null, it will check that ptr is overflow or not. If it's overflow, it will print as overflow. If it's not, it goes to the else part, print enter the value, and the value would be readed in item d, d variable, and ptr data is equal to item, and then print enter the location. The enter location will be saved in L and in D variable, and then head will be goes to temp. For int I is equal to 0, creating for loop, and this for loop, and then temp is equal to temp link, and goes temp link, and if temp is equal to null, it will print a given node not found return. ptr link is to temp link is ptr, and then that close and deleting function. Struct node is ptr is equal to struct node malloc size of struct node. These are the variable, and then we creating a if head is equal to null, print lost in empty, and then last in list is empty, list is empty. We checking that list is as any variable or not. If it using this line, if it's empty, it will print list is empty, and goes to the else part, print head, and head print is equal link free is equal to ptr, and then delete in end. These are the code for that. Struct node ptr we declaring that, and if head is null, the list is empty. It's checking again that list is as any variable or not. If it's empty, means it will print list is empty. Else it goes to this part, head is goes to link, and is equal to null. If it's true, it goes to the next line, head is equal to null, and freehand print only node of the list deleted. Else it goes to the next part, print head. If this line, the first line, else if line is fails, me it goes to the next line. ptr is equal to head, and ptr is goes to link, and not equal to null. ptr1 is store the value as ptr, and ptr is equal to link, and ptr1 value is saved in link and is equal to null, and free ptr, that deleter node will be in lost. It will print that deleter node number, delete random. These are the function prototype and int location and int type. Print that location, and then location will be read. And if location is lesser than 1, it will print entire valid location. And if the location is equal to 1, delete first. If ptr is good head, and creating a for loop. If ptr is good null, print detected is not possible. And p1 is good ptr is good ptr into link. And these are the line. And then we going to that this is search part, and creating a variable and pin short, declaring that ptr is good head value saved in ptr. If it is checking that the list is empty or not, if it's empty it will print. And then goes to next else part. Print enter the variable is saved in item, creating a while loop. If it's true, it goes to the next line. ptr data is good item found at location, and will print that location number. And if it's not this while loop is not true, it will go to the else part. Flag is equal to 1, and it will increment as I will be increment. ptr is equal to link. These are the line. And if flag is equal to 1, if it's 2 means it will print item not found. And last one is valid display. And these are the prototype. P is equal to hard. And if p is equal to null means it will check that a list is empty or not. If it's empty, it will print list is empty. And if it's not, it goes to the else part. Print that printing values. And while it's creating a while loop, and we it will this line will display that every numbers in that list. And d is equal to p data, p is equal to link. That's it. Let's we run this program. First, I'm creating one. I'm going to insert a beginning number, enter the number as 20. Let's see, node creator. And I'm going to create a number at insert a number as middle. And let's see, give the value as 3. And enter the value is 24. See, 24. And then location is 2. The given, sorry, 1 minute. Sorry, I'm running this program again. I given input as wrong. Let's we give again the number 1, and then insert at the beginning as a going to give the number as 20. And then I'm going to press number 1 again, and the enter value is 21. And then I'm going to give the value 2, 1 again. The value is 22. And then last I'm going to print at the last, then the entered value will be 24. Okay, and then I'm going to insert a value in the center. The value is 50. And print location is 2. Okay, the node will be entered. And then let's see that how it will print display. These are the number. 0 1 2 3. Okay, the node it will print and the number second location. See 50. And then if we want to delete anything, delete at last. Let's we delete the 24. The delete at last, they want to give option 5. And deleted the delete node from the last. Let's we display that. See, the 24 is deleted. If we want to exit, press 9. Yeah, it exists. That's it. Thank you.